beautiful, highly desirable gated community. Be captivated by the beauty and livability of this custom-decorated builder's Bradford model townhouse. The master suite is located downstairs, 8-foot-tall sliders from the master bedroom and great room to the private paved and screened lanai and your maintenance-free backyard. Luxurious master bath with solid stone counters, soaking tub, separate glass shower, and custom built-in closets. Home featuring high ceilings, crown moldings, beautiful hardwood flooring throughout, oak staircase with solid wood steps, gourmet eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and upgraded appliances. Large open loft on upper level, great for man cave, media or playroom. Second bedroom, could be another master with private ensuite and walk-in closet. Third bedroom, good size with walk-in closet and full bath with solid surface countertops just off the hallway. Enjoy the community heated pool. Located just minutes from Lake Tarpon, the Pinellas Trail, Anderson Park, SPC College and the Innisbrook Golf and Club Resort, 25 to 30 minutes to Tampa International Street.